How to place a Chick-fil-A mobile order for curbside pickup. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chick-fil-A app on your device. After that, click on Menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, for now, click on Start Pickup Order. Then, click on the magnifying glass-like icon and search your location. After you've searched your location, it will lead you to all the stores. And before you click on the store, or after you click on the store, it's according to the region. Select the store and then choose curbside as your pickup method. And after you have chose curbside as your pickup method, you can add items to your cart and pay for your order. And after you check out, you can drive to the restaurant, park in a designated curbside spot, and open the app and tap I'm here, enter your parking spot number, and you're good to go. This is how to place a Chick-fil-A mobile order for curbside pickup. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.